All right, well, hey, welcome back, everyone. It's Tuesday, and you found us again. So I am here today. I'm Percy, if you haven't figured that out yet. And I'm here today with Jordan. And we have some new odds and ends. Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Oh man, now we're gonna have to smash it. No, we have some new odds and ends that we thought we'd share with you. Some pretty handy dandy stuff that in our community, there's a lot of mobile homes, so this is some pretty good stuff for this community. Unfortunately, mobile home stuff isn't like normal stuff. They can't make it the same. It has to be bent different or a little bit different size, just enough to be annoying so you can't typically go into a place and get what you need off the shelf because it's not the same. So we have a little display and some of the more common things like a trap. Plastic trap.
What? What is that?
That's a trap for under the sink or under a bathtub.
Oh.
And then that one's under a bathtub. This is under a sink. Trap. Yeah.
Trap.
A trap. So what happens with this is water goes down in here and then a little bit gets stuck in here and then it flows out into your septic. It traps it in there. And the reason why it does that is so the smells from your sewer or your septic doesn't come up. That little bit of water that's trapped in there keeps the smell out. That way your house doesn't smell like a septic. That would be gross.
That would be.
Yes. So we have that. We have a couple common fixtures for like faucets and whatnot. Some specialty doorknobs, electrical receptacles and switches that are specific to mobile homes. Some of the faucet stems.
So what's that?
Yeah. And then the little rosette buttons that hold up some of the ceilings and whatnot. Some other random things that you wouldn't expect us to have. This is a USB outlet. So you have your regular outlet and you also have a couple USB ports. Super handy. You know, a little bit less cord tanglage going on. So that's cool stuff. And then we also have it in the Type C. So this has got a smart chip in it for fast charging. So it'll do up to 6 amps. And this is the Type C one.
What is that like?
I know, they're so handy.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I said, a little bit less, you know. But yeah, doesn't come with a wall plate. It says down there, wall plate sold separately, so you gotta buy the wall plate separately, which apparently I can't say any of this while I'm reading it.
One of those.
Yeah, USB one's, C one's nice.
What's that? USB
C? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Yeah, that's nice. So yeah, a couple random things that you wouldn't necessarily expect us to have, but we got them because that's what we do. We're here to get you out of the pickle.
Yep.
So we're on it. Yeah.
Kind of a big deal.
Kind of a big deal.
Hey guys, thank you for coming by today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.
Whether it was morning or nighttime or afternoon or evening, we appreciate you taking the time to come by and listen to me or us rattle on.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below.
We'd also love suggestions as to what you would like us to cover in the next video.
And make sure you share it to all your friends.
Because sharing is caring. Don't forget that we're here 7 days a week and there are no self-checkouts. So, you know, you can get waited on here. Hopefully you got something good out of this. And if you didn't, at least you got a chuckle, we hope.
And we'll see you.
We will see you next Tuesday.
Thank you. Bye.